Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day. Today we are going to be making some faux vintage stamps. They are super cute. They look real, but they don't. They're just made with paper. It's super cute. This project I'm extremely addicted to make. I make loads of this. I think I make stamps every month or at least every other month, because it's a sort of project that is so easy to make, and it's like a mass make as well. You can make them in bulk. You can sell them as a little craft fair ideas. I'm going to make some ephemera in the next couple of weeks using those. So again, it's a project that can be used to be layered as well. I have used my VIP Lounge papers for the month of August. In case you are new to my channel, my VIP Lounge is a membership that every month get your hands on loads of digital papers that you can save and download. When you join, please make sure you check your spam and junk email box as well, because sometimes the emails can end up there. Before I show you how to make these little cute stamps, let me showcase everything that you get when you join for the month of August. The main collection is called Strawberries Fields. Of course, I'll show you why. It's a digital paper collection full of kind of like pastel-y color, full of vintage. There's like recipes and envelopes, but there's a lot of butterflies. There's a background. There are a couple of pages with ephemera that you guys can fussy cut. There's a page that's been designed to be cut in half as a two journal pages. So another one is a collection of tags. Another background they can cut in half. Oh, this is probably my favorite. You got like the ribbons, and it's all like pastel-y, soft pink, reds and green. This is another favorite of mine. And then last, there are a collection of stamps. I gave you 3 pages with all different sizes. So this is like slightly larger and smaller. That's more like rectangular, like portrait side, and that's more like landscape with some squares as well. So loads of things you can make. Then every month you get a collection of bookmarks that can be used as tags, and so cute. How cute are those? So this month you get 6 little tags that you can literally like fussy cut with all the animals. I mean, can you be any cuter? The theme this month was the fields, the farm. There's like strawberries, there's animals, but also based on the strawberries field, every month you guys get a number. We have completed the alphabet gift boxes, so we have done from letter A to letter Y, all the alphabet letters, 3D gift boxes. Of course, my VIP members got them for free, but you can purchase them on my website. Okay, and now we have started the number. So last month we done number 0, and then this month we done number 1. So this is to get a template with assembly instruction, and then that's the template that you can literally fussy cut and put it all together. And because I had like 3/4 of the page blank, I designed this tag that, again, quite large, that you guys can fussy cut. But let me show you what the number 1 looks like when it's done up. Okay, this is number 1. Super cute. Stand perfectly straight. You can use it, of course, to write a number as a 3D. You can also use it as a gift box to put treats in there. Yeah, super cute. Love it. And of course, it's all on all sides. That's the front and back. Also, every month you get a free digital magazine. Yes, you get loads for your money with my subscription. Every month the magazine changes. So this month is a past edition of the Artists and Illustrators magazine. We have had food cooking magazine, fashion magazine, Molly Makes magazine. It changes all the time because I wanted to give you something different every month. So the Artists and Illustrators magazine is a wonderful magazine to read, not just to discover new talented artists, but also for an art point of view. You can even print these lovely pages because they're full of art. You can use them in your journals, you can use for mixed media, or you can either frame them and use them as a little poster as well. There's a lots wonderful articles as well. Last but not least, you get a gift from me. This month is an additional paper collection called Clockwork Charm. I love it. 4 backgrounds, 4 pages, full of like clocks and ephemera and cases or stamps, chains, etc, etc. I love those. They're quite like on the steampunk verge, but not as, you know, not as that. It's more like vintage. I quite like the brown and, you know, the warmth of these pages here. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to fussy cut each stamp. Now today I'm just going to use the large ones, so those ones here. You need to get yourself one of those scallop scissors. Now if I get a post-it, so it's the one that creates this sort of scallop like that. Now if you do this way, you get the scallop that way. If you do it on the other way, you get what it looks like a stamp. Okay, so I'm going to cut them all. Maybe I'm going to do a little, I don't know how many actually, and I'm going to use this background, so I'm going to attach that to those, and then I fussy cut an individual stamp. Like, let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got my little stash of stamps here. Now the time consuming is literally this step, and I don't know if you can see, if you focus here, I distressed all the edges. I have used my Distress Oxide, the vintage photo, with a little, one of the little spongy finger thing, and you just tap 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 tap. Now this is the most, I think, exciting bit, so I'm gonna get this one. I'm going to get this stamp here. I'm going to use my black ink, and I'm going to use get a piece of paper on the back. Okay, so what we're going to do, this is the fun part, we're going to stamp so it looks like proper stamped, and I'm trying to alternate so it don't look the same. Love doing this. I tend to do quite a lot of these faux stamps because they're so cute. You see, in some of my design is already there, but it's nice to enforce it. You don't have to be precise at all. I mean, you can probably tell that I'm not being precise. And that's the fun. I love making these. These are so addictive. They look like, yeah, they've been stamped and used. Few more. It's the last one that we're good to go. Right, that's it. I'm gonna wash my hands, tidy everything up, and I'll be right back. How cute are those? Love them, love them, love them. And of course, every single one is unique and everybody's different. Right, guys, if you wish to join my VIP lounge membership and get your hands on these wonderful goodies every month, let me showcase on my website where you can find it. This is my website. So on the home page, you recognize, because there is a lovely butterfly there. So you see all my papers, okay? So I merged all my papers into bundles. So you've got 12 bundles all together, all different season, etc, etc. Then you have my books. Love them, love them, love them. These are basically collection of digital papers by style and imaginary. Because these are the books. So just show you one. So each book has got front page, so you can put your name in it, and then you can scan get it to my website, and then yeah, that's all the papers. Now I love to put them as a book, so I can use this as a reference, and then I simply print the pages that I need every time I make a project. So I print one of everything and use it as a reference guide, as a book, and then when I need it, I just reprint the page. Okay, and then I have the last page here. You've got all my collections, all my books that are part of my catalogue. Okay. Then we have my VIP Lounge, my very, very popular monthly subscription. What is the VIP Lounge? It's basically a monthly subscription. You got two options, the £3 one or the £5 one, the gold monthly membership. With the £3 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website, unique digital design and collections, digital bookmarks and tags, a digital magazine you can download and read, a gift box template, and a gift from me every month. So you'll be able to download all these goodies every month through a link that I will send you. If you join with the £5 one, which is the gold monthly membership, you get everything that you get with the normal one, but also every month you get an additional digital book of your choice from my online catalog. So every month you can download one book a month between all of this, so you can collect them all. Okay guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video, and I'm looking forward to welcoming you into my VIP Lounge membership. As I said, when you join, please check your spam junk email box, because sometimes the emails can end up there. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah.